If any questions, you guys can turn to us for more details, okay? This one is for maximum crimping range as 2 inch for steel wire spiral reinforcement hoses. We also have smaller size manual hose crimpers, okay? The other model, the maximum crimping range is 2 inch, 2 steel wire braided reinforcement high pressure hoses, okay? So it's also very suitable for the small size hose assembly making, and also very suitable for on-spec repair work. You can just get one of these manual hose crimpers ready along with the vehicle or something, or some other truck or something like this. And if any troubles, you can make a hose assembly with this manual hose crimpers, okay? It all depends on what size of the hoses and also working pressure of the hose you want to crimp. And you can tell us more details about this, and we can recommend suitable models especially for you.